So, si Toybits, kinuha ko po yung retracement area niya. This one. And the bottom to the top, the recent top. Nandun tayo sa 0.5, almost gitna no 618. And you'll draw a trend line. Okay, downward ka dito. You can also draw a parallel channel. Downward sloping parallel channel. And you can also draw a trend line connecting this one to this one. So at some point, sa short term, immediate short term, 1 hour time frame, pag di-decide sa Bitcoin whether babasag ba siya dito sa taas, tataas nito parallel channel, or babasag siya sa baba nito trend line or triangle. Pag bumasag po siya sa taas, most likely we're going to hit 102 again, and kukunin natin yung fib extension niya. Let's say, ito, yan na yung low. Ito na yung low at mga 103. Hindi tayo umabot na mga 103 kay Bitcoin. And then from there, let's assess kung kaya natin yung 107. So, yan yung pagbasag po sa taas ha, nito parallel channel. So, yan yung mga key levels to watch, right? On the downside, kung dito naman po yan sa baba, babasag. Ang maganda dito sa baba, sakali, sa baba at babasag. Yung 618 mo, sasaluhin ka. This is the 95.5 level. Pwede kang saluhin. Kung hindi ka man saluhin yan, dito ka lang muna. Marami support eh. May 93 ka, may 91 ka. Yung pababa niya, medyo mas maraming support. Yung paakyat niya, kung babasag, medyo maganda-ganda kung babasagin natin yung 103 kasi you might revisit the 107 level. Siguro wala pa siya straight shot. Malinis tong highway na to. Papaano ng konti. At once we break this, itong area na to, medyo mas malinis. So ngayon, whether Bitcoin will break to the upside or downside, we don't know. Okay, hingi tayo ng clue kay Tipay ha. Gumagamit ng Tipay, saan most likely ang basag? We're using our Tipay system. Parang ang bias ng Tipay system natin. Ayan, may mga sell signals tayo eh. There's a probability na we hit the 618 area. Okay, itong bottom muna ulit ito. Sinip ganito po. There's a probability na ito ka. But from here, another leg up. Let's see kung kaya ng basagin. We'll analyze it again. Okay, we'll adjust also the targets. Kung sakasakaling babasagin natin itong recent low niya na 96K area, we'll adjust also our targets. That's Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Those are the key levels that you need to watch on Friday. Meron tayong non-farm payroll.